Hey folks, St. Paul Steam here with something I've been waiting for. Come and join the unboxing with me. All the way from, I believe it's Scottsdale, Arizona. Let's see what we got here. So far, it looks like it's been packaged pretty well. They sure bundled it up. I asked them to take the whistle out of it so it would ride good, but most people don't. So let's see what we got. And they didn't. Let's see. Okay. Get this out the way. Alrighty then. Tis a forgotten Jensen 35. And oh, it's in pretty good shape. Surprisingly good shape. Just like the pictures. Alright. Should I plug it in or not? That is the question. Well, I can't help myself, so I think I'm gonna. See if we get any heat out of this thing. Start it off slow. Make sure it didn't get electrocuted. I can see she can use a little oil. She ain't had any in years, I'll bet. That's much better. Yeah, that's the original cylinder. I can tell that by the blockiness of it. I want to turn it up a little bit. About 85 volts there. Let's take a closer look. Okay. Get it where we can see it. Big old blocky cylinder. This is one of the earlier ones that has a, it's a, what am I trying to say? Double acting. Because most of them are open on the end there, and this one is not. So it's the later of the forgotten 35s with the cast iron base. Yeah, it's heating up. It's getting warm. I'm going to turn it off now. That's good. So she's got a good heater in it too. It's actually in quite good shape. I'm very happy. Hard to see anything in there. She's an oldie. Like this cord. Black with 4 gold or brown stitches. Well, it's got some pitting in it, but I'm sure that was right from the factory. Not too far from modern heaters. One screw holding the mount on. The rest of it looks soldered. Base is in really nice shape painted wise. And it's got one screw on this side and a rivet on the other side, which I'm told is correct. Anyway, thanks for watching, folks. This is way long enough for an unpacking video. The boiler is absolutely dent free. It'll clean up well. Thanks for looking, folks. This is my forgotten Jensen 35. Probably 35 to 37. Bye now.